See, we all have stories, but without someone to help us tell these stories, it's very, 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 very difficult, and we end up procrastinating for a long time. Um, I don't want this to be you. I want you to be able to tell your story and figure out what your story is. I know we all think we have stories, but we often don't think about the audience hearing the story, okay? And in order for us to connect with an audience, we have to use some of these storytelling frameworks that have been around for years and centuries even, okay? And one of the main things I want you to understand is the current situation and desired situation of your customer, right? Everyone has a current situation and they have a desired situation. And it took me a long time to really hear this, even though I heard it from so many people, I had to really visualize it. So the current situation is the struggles. And how do you figure out how to convey that message to your customer, right? Let's say you were, anyone really. Let's say you're yourself, okay? What issues have you faced that made you go, ah, damn, that really sucked. I wish I knew how to solve this problem better than what I just did, right? What were the pains associated with that? For instance, time wasted, feeling down and depressed and having no energy, right? That was your current situation at one point. And now you have, even though it doesn't seem like you're all the way there, you're in a desired situation, right? There's 4 billion people on the internet. Do you think that a percentage of those people are currently facing the same problems that you faced back in the day when you were having struggles and when you were suffering and you were feeling those pain points? Yes, of course. Okay. So, how do you connect with those people? Well, do exactly as I just said. You share that you also had those problems. And I know it sounds simple, but I want you to understand that's the thing separating you from the expert digital marketers. They just know how to tell stories, not even good stories, right? But they understand the mechanics of why a story works. Okay? I hope this helps. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.